Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to eToro account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to eToro.com. Now look at the login button which is in the top right corner of your screen. Input the email address associated to your eToro account, or you can also type in your username in this field. After that, type in your account password here. Now check this box if you want to keep logged in for 30 days in this device. After that, click on sign in button. If you have forgotten your password, click on forget password link and follow the instructions to reset it. As you can see that I have been logged into my account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.